Replacing old rotten roof decking. Not repairing and replacing roof decking could be a mistake. To save money or time, some building owners and homeowners choose to lay down new roofing material directly over their old roof decking. Damaged wood needs to be replaced. If your roof deck is rotten, there are many problems that could take hold on your roof, including mold, mildew, and pest damage. The longer you wait to repair your roof, the costlier the fix. Like, share, subscribe for more roofing videos. Here, for all your roofing needs. Free estimate. Call us at 832-418-7171.